printing a full giant chess set, and these prints are basically perfect. Pretty amazing. So just a quick check-in on the progress of the CR10. That piece came out no good. I miscalculated some of the adjustments and the dimensions when I was putting it together. So this thing's been running quite a bit. You can see that these are exceptional. The print quality is really superb right now. This thing's been running, I think, an average of 6 hours a piece times 16 pieces, or right now 14 pieces. It's 75 or 80 hours. And no hiccups, no blips, no adhesion problem. It sticks too well. So what I do is, rather than try to pry it off or all that, or bang it with I use a scraper and like a small hammer. I'll show you when I do it. I'll be back. When it's ready, I'll show you how I do it. Doesn't put any strain on the bed that way. Doesn't knock out your adjustments. Very cool. Alright guys, so that's what's going on here in the shop. The usual nonsense. Got a whole bunch of big broadcast cameras coming for repair, and I'll put them in service too. Ikegamis, good cameras. Alright guys, out for now. I thought I'd give you a better look at the parts. I usually don't do models, but if people ask me, I do them for them. I usually make parts, specific parts. But I think we're having a focusing issue with too much background stuff. This is right after the repair of the carriage head. Like I said, when I get this last part done, I'll show you how I remove these, because they're in very strong, very tough. And you don't want to be banging on the bed and causing all kinds of issues. I don't think I like the design for this knife. I'm not making it all. You know, I usually make parts for things. I do models for testing, but a friend of mine wanted a giant chess set, so this thing is huge. And Bruce Lee I did for somebody, and the skull was for the kids for Halloween. So my wingspan span here is 9.5 inches. So that's good 7 bucks. And the queen is taller. This is a big set. Like I said, average 6 to 8 hours per piece, 14 pieces. So let's say 70 and 28, 98 hours, but not continuous, almost continuous, but restart and stop, re-level automatically, start another print. Very interesting. Also, a lot of people have been having problems with not seeing their prints when they send them from a slicer, and everyone says put it in a root file, which is true, but I find more than that, if the file name is too long, it won't show up in Creality, any of their software. You put like 7 or 8 slices in there, prints, and you go to your screen, it shows nothing. Just make sure that the name is less, even after you slice it and save it, change the name so it's under 8 digits, and you'll always get your stuff. Alright guys, we'll be back. Yeah, so this machine's been magnificent. I have to say, I've had CR10S, CRX, Industries, 3 Pros, 5. This is their best machine to date. And I waited to get it because everybody gets these betas and early releases. There's always issues. Same thing with cars. My friends used to order Mercedes like a year ahead of time to be first on the waiting list. And I always waited a year. Got all the bugs out, latest firmware. Even for the cars with all the computers, firmware. And everything's up and running better. Same thing with these machines. I had real no bugs with this. The only problem was a operator builder malfunction. The carriage, which I made a video of, this carriage was extremely loose, and the bottom adjuster would not adjust the roller to tighten it up. So I take the whole head apart. You'll see it in one of my videos, specifically for that repair. So that was the only issue. It's been magnificent since that. Otherwise, no issues. Firmware is great. The software is great. Temperature, heating, fans coming on off when they're supposed to. Heating bed and nozzles very fast. Noise levels are really excellent. Consistent level correct. Once level, consistent repeatability. Alright guys, out for now. I'll show you how I get this thing off the bed, because let me tell you, these are on tight. You know, I used to, sometimes you can bang them with something, like hit the side of the print with something solid, but lately it's been on so good you could break the print. So using a scraper, I'll show you how. That's the safest way. Out for now. Hey guys, this one's almost done. 10 hours and 19 minutes. I think 2% left. So I want to show you the best and safest way to get a print off the bed that's really down solid. And I gotta tell you, this machine, this first layer is unbelievable. This thing, when it puts down a print, it's down. And I don't think we're going to scrape it up with your average scraper. It's a knife for a chest separator. It almost looks like a duck. I don't know. We'll see when I turn it sideways how she looks. It's like Daffy Duck on drugs. So the screen says 99% done. 10 hours and 21 minutes. Trying to look at this CR10S has been excellent. It had trouble with overhangs, but I got that squared up. So the next thing will be wait for us to finish, and then we will do the special print removal technique. It's not that big a deal, but it really makes a difference when you're trying to get a print off of here and not destroy the bed. So she's done. Now take a look at this. I mean, this will rip the whole bed up. So you need a scraper. It has to be sharpened. A non-sharpened scraper is useless. So the flat side down. And sometimes it's good to get the corner in first. That helps it. There she goes. So it's absolutely putting no stress on the bed. Why don't we take something heavy and just hit it, but a couple of times it's broken the prints. I'm using a camera handle. Yeah, it looks like a duck. Yeah, it's not bad. So we got the hole goes through, which I didn't remember. A couple of issues lying in here, but overall pretty good. I might make a different style. It does look like a duck though. But that's the best way to get a print off the bed, because you know, if you're hitting it and trying to bang it off, it just puts too much stress on the rollers and on the bed. Like I said, you have to have a sharpened scraper, or else you're just wasting your time. Just get them sharpened, or put it on a grinder and do it yourself. Okay guys, we're on here. Here's a completed set in black. Naomi doesn't count here. And now we got to do it over again in white. So here we are in white. Sunroof. New cylinder I've never used before. Non-tangle. Nice quality. 12 bucks a roll. And we still made a light up there for this. So 16 pieces later we'll have the full set for this guy. Alright guys, see you later. Ciao for now.